Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 93 OVR Arsenal striker, how to exchange rewards Kai Havertz in EA Sports FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can change the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the news update first. Try to search these showdown exchanges. Keep an eye real world matches because showdown exchanges are coming to FC Mobile. So this type of player, showdown player, if their team wins, the player receives +2 OVR increase. They will receive +2 OVR for a tie and no OVR increase if their team loses. Let's head over to the exchanges. Showdown exchange, I want to show you this one, the Kai Havertz 93 OVR striker from Germany, play for Arsenal. He got very good trade. For a striker, he got a playmaker and also final shoot outside foot shot. So he can play in center forward position or second striker, and also he can play as attacking midfielder. If you train or rank up, this player can change his positions. Let's get back. So if you wanna Kai Havertz, if you wanna get him, you have to fulfill this condition first. So the first one, 91 plus OVR player, one player, two players of 90 OVR. Let's search the unused player here, and also three player with 88 plus OVR, and last is six player with 85 plus OVR. Done. Let's tap exchange button to get Kai Havertz. So exchange successful, congratulations, you have received new player. So good luck, thank you for watching, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.